graphic extras. One question I've been asked for quite a few times: how can you actually look through all the various custom shapes, brushes, patterns, gradients, and go through them fairly quickly without actually having to load them, look into them, find in various files and pictures? Well, fortunately there's not many options, certainly within Photoshop, other than obviously just loading them, but there is a preset browser and it's available from Tumasoft, just down there, Tumasoft, T-U-M-A and then soft, and it's really quite good. This one is the Breeze version. This is the Adobe Air. The main reason for that is I'm using a Mac. I mean, I also on a PC, there's a PC version as well, and it's really good just going through all the custom shapes. So basically just select the custom shape. It's a CSH file. Now these ones are from the Graphic Extras custom shapes collections. So these all the ones designs I've created over the years. And of course there's hundreds of other shape files and any other shape files you found on the web or ones you've created. So you can just basically just click the CSH file and then you can actually, what you can do if you wish, and I'm just going to, you can actually drag that over. So just drag that over and drag a file here to export. And what it does, it generates this to the icon size down here. So you'll actually see the icon size. It's approximately 160 by 160. But you can obviously increase that 128. Just go through it. Obviously make it them bigger. It will export and create a PNG file. Really, really handy just for creating a vast number of images from that. What would be nice actually would be a feature to be able to put it up to 2000 by 2000. As these are vector designs, they can be any size. But anyway, big quibble. It's really, really, really useful just to see all the designs in a set without actually have to basically go and load them in Photoshop. So, just going to show you do brushes as well. It works with brushes, and I'm just going to show you the gradient options. So gradients, and just basically just click that, and it will just generate the gradients. Another thing that would be nice if it did would be to actually generate the gradients in random styles, right? You know, different angles, or maybe using diamond or ellipse and that sort of stuff. But it's brilliant. It's just really good. It shows you all the gradients in your set, and you can do the same as before. You can just go and export that file, just drag that across, and obviously now it's just while it's processing, it's going through it, decoding all the images. There's quite a lot of gradients in this file. So it goes through all the files. There is one minor thing, and I've found, and that's in preferences. What you should do is definitely to go and clear the cache every once in a while. I found that my version, it seems to, with lots and lots of files, it's a really good idea just to go to there and click that and bring up the cache, and you'll see a cache option there. Just going to go over there. Obviously takes a few seconds to go there, and just basically empty that frequently. Otherwise it does have a tendency to get obviously very full very quickly, especially if you've got lots of files and you're going through lots and lots of PNG files. So but anyway, not only does it do brushes, patterns and all those things and other types of formats, it does fonts. Not particularly as well. It doesn't do the whole font, which is a pity, but I'm just going to, that's why it's processing that. You can see it's just gone very slow, and especially since in my tutorial, it's doing a tutorial, it always goes slow on my machine on a tutorial. It's recording, it can't do everything. So once it's finished decoding that, I'll just go and show you the fonts. So I'll stop, finished decoding in a sec. Yeah, finished. Okay, now cancel that. I'm just going to go down to the installed fonts, and this is quite a useful feature as well. So not only have you got presets which you can browse through, you can also, of course, there's lots and lots of fonts around. There's the Graphic Extras fonts, various spiral designs, ring designs, diamond designs, hexagon designs, etc., dinosaur designs. You can basically click on that and it will do the same. It will display the various designs in that set, and you can actually set up your text, the sample text, which is quite nice. And also you can set up obviously A, B, C, D, E, F, etc., the lowercase, the numbers, and all the various unusual characters. So that's quite nice. Doesn't unfortunately give you the option, as far as I can see, unless there is one option. I haven't gone all through it. There's lots of other options down here. There's no all option, but maybe that's not so easy to do. But anyway, it's really quite nice. Just sample text is perfectly reasonable, and you can do exactly the same as before. You can actually just drag that over and just do an export. So it exports it to a file location, which you can set up in the preferences. And there's various other options, preset finders, about obviously, and where the location of the documentation is. So that's a basic quick run through. You can set up and group things, and there's a few other features. That it's a really great little application, and certainly I'd recommend looking over on their website and checking out the tool, or maybe the other tool as well. And they've also got a mail list as well, which you can get additional information, etc. from. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.